Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're making the Italian Easter cake. We call it torta pasqualina and it's super delicious. Let's get started. I start by removing the stems of the washed and dried Swiss chard. Spinach will be great too. I don't like to waste food, so I'm going to save the stems and use them for a nice soup. I cut the vegetables into thin strips. Now I fry up 2 cloves of garlic in olive oil for 2 minutes and then I add the greens. I add a few at a time, wait that they reduce in volume and then I add some more because they take so much space and then they shrink so much too. I cook them with a little bit of salt. Once they're ready, I remove the garlic and I let them cool down. Make sure to drain all the excess water well, otherwise the savory pie will be soggy. Then add the ricotta, make sure you drain that too, some Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, nutmeg, salt, pepper and marjoram. Mix it well and set it aside. For the dough, you'll need to mix flour, water, oil and a pinch of salt. That's it. Knead it on the counter until it's perfectly smooth. This dough recipe will give you enough to make 2 savory pies. At this point, divide the dough into 4 parts. 2 larger ones for the bases and 2 smaller ones to close up the pie. I start by rolling out the base with a rolling pin until it's very thin. Flip it around and I keep rolling it. Then put it in a buttered and floured pan and make sure that the edges of the dough are coming out so that then you can close the pie well. Add the filling, perfect. Make 4 holes and break the eggs into them. I add a little bit of salt. Now cover with another layer of dough and close the cake by pinching the 2 layers together. Spread a little bit of olive oil on the surface and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until nice and golden. You can even broil it for a couple of minutes. Once it has cooled down a little bit, you can serve it up. So good.